Stop following bad investing advice. It's why your money isn't working for you. They didn't tell you how to invest properly. They didn't tell you where their money should actually go. And they didn't tell you which passive income models genuinely work in 2026. But in this video, I'm going to show you 5 passive income systems that the average person overlooks and the wealthy quietly rely on. And if you skip the final one, you'll miss the only system that can realistically replace your salary this year. So let's break down the 5 smartest passive income ideas you can start right now, even if you're a complete beginner. And trust me, idea 3 and 4 will change how you look at money forever.
Idea 1. Affiliate income. Minimal effort, maximum leverage. Here's what 90% of people get wrong. Affiliate income is not posting random links and hoping someone buys. It's about recommending solutions, not selling products. And the best part? You don't need an audience of 1 million followers. You only need trust. Let me explain the magic. You promote a tool you genuinely use. Someone buys through your link, you get paid. Every month if it's subscription-based. It's one of the fastest passive income models to set up. But here's the twist most people miss. Affiliate income becomes truly passive when you pair it with Idea 2, because Idea 2 creates the machine that keeps sending traffic to your links every single day. So don't skip it.
Idea 2. Automated digital asset, the modern money tree. Most people spend their lives trading hours for money. But the wealthy? They build digital assets once and let them pay them for years. A digital asset can be a short PDF guide, a mini course, a Notion template, a niche tutorial, a tool or checklist. Create it once, put it online. People buy it while you sleep. Here's the part no one tells you. You don't need to be a guru. You only need to be one step ahead of your customer. Now here's where the suspense builds, because Idea 3 is the engine that promotes your digital assets automatically, and nobody talks about this.
Idea 3. Niche newsletter, your silent personal ATM. This is one of the most underrated passive income models in the UK and worldwide. A newsletter turns your knowledge into recurring income without needing to show your face or post daily. Here's why it works. Brands pay to sponsor your list. Your audience buys your digital assets. Your affiliate links convert better because newsletters feel personal. Even a newsletter with 1,000 loyal readers can earn £500 to £2,000 per month in sponsorships, £2,000 plus in affiliate income, and extra from digital product sales. And here's the suspenseful link to Idea 4, because once your newsletter grows, you unlock one of the most stable passive income streams ever created.
Idea 4. Dividend investing, the grown-up passive income. Most people think investing is just buying a stock and waiting. Wrong. Real passive income comes from dividends, cash paid to you for simply owning shares. But here's the trap. Picking the right companies yourself usually fails. So what do wealthy people do? They buy dividend index funds, dividend ETFs, dividend aristocrats, companies that have paid and increased dividends for 25 plus years. Here's the twist. Your newsletter income, digital product income, even affiliate income can all flow straight into dividend funds, turning side income into long-term passive wealth. And now, the idea you've been waiting for, the one closest to replacing your salary without a business, audience, or degree.
Idea 5. The silent partner model. Most people never discover this. The model is simple. Find a small local business, use your skill to help them grow. Instead of charging a fee,
take 10 to 30% of the revenue increase. It's not a side hustle. Once the systems run, the business runs, and you collect your share. Barbershops, gyms, cafes, dentists, cleaning companies. Most of them are terrible at marketing and automation. You only need one skill. And because you take a percentage, your income grows without adding hours. This is the idea people always wish they started earlier. And it completes the cycle. Fast cash, asset, recurring attention, compounding wealth, 9-to-5 replacement. All connected, all realistic, all possible within 12 months.